Hi everybody, good morning. It is Tuesday at around 5 o'clock at night, and I thought I would record a short morning message for you since it's been a while since you've seen my face. I definitely wish I could see more of your faces. It's been really great to see the faces of the people that have been making videos on Flipgrid. Today, everyone's going to be making a video on Flipgrid, so if you've yet to go on that platform, I hope that you will like it. And it's fun because we can all see each other and get to see our faces, even if we're not face to face. So I also wanted to wish you a happy Earth Day in person, since today, when you see this video, it'll be Wednesday, April 22nd. It's Earth Day, and it's kind of a perfect time for it to be Earth Day for us, since we've been learning so much about the Earth in our unit, about in science, learning about the water cycle and all the ways we use water and how we waste water and how we maybe pollute water and things like that. So I thought that was important to mention, that today is Earth Day, and so that a lot of these science lessons should really be making you think about our precious Earth. I also just thought I would share something, which is that during this time, about a week or so ago, I started trying to teach myself how to play guitar. So my older son had started learning guitar when he was about 8, which was a very long time ago, and his guitar teacher had an extra guitar, and so I pulled it out of our my storage place and have been watching little YouTube videos to learn how to learn chords and stuff. And I would definitely say I am not good, but I am definitely getting better. And it's been a lot of fun. That's a C chord, and I'm learning lots of different chords. That's a G chord, and let's see if I can do an A. And I've always wanted to be able to sort of sing along when I learn something. This chord I was starting to learn how to play Amazing Grace. So let's see if I can, hold on a second, while I can pull up the notes to Amazing Grace and sing you a little bit of that. And since I'm not there to hear you, you can sort of roll your eyes or laugh at me, or you can turn it off if you don't want to hear. But I'm kind of excited about trying to learn something new, and I thought I would share it with you. Okay, so I think I've got it so that I can see the chords and still be recorded. So let's see. Oops, that's not how it starts. Amazing. It takes me a little while to get to the new chords. Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to teach myself to do. It's definitely not great, but it's better than I was a week ago where I couldn't play anything. So I hope you're trying to do something new and learn something new, even if it's just trying to help your parents cook, or learn how to clean your room better, or learn how to be a better big sister or big brother, or learn how to be a better little sister or little brother. But see if there's something on YouTube you can pick up. A new skill. Maybe you can teach yourself some origami, get some paper and learn how to fold it, and then maybe post a video in Flipgrid about what you're learning how to do. Anyway, and before I leave, come here, Charlie. I'll have Charlie scratching himself. Charlie, why are you itching? Say hello to everybody. That's Charlie. Okay. So anyway, have a great day, and I can't wait to see your Flipgrid videos. Today is kind of a light day. It should be an easy day. So enjoy. Happy Earth Day. Bye, everybody.